Big news for gamers! The popular fighting game Tekken 8 could be added in the newly launched console Nintendo Switch 2, but there would be some problems. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech and gaming news. Tekken 8 was released last year and it's done well in business and sales. Fans from all over the world rushed to get their hands on this newest edition, and at Bandai Namco alone, Tekken 8 roared success with selling over 3 million copies of the game within a year, which easily surpassed the launch sales of the previous version, Tekken 7. With this much success, gaming fans are wondering if the popular game would be available on Nintendo's newest console, Switch 2, as the recently launched device has given good sales results for other fighting games as well. Katsuhiro Harada, director of Tekken 8, has said that adding the game to Switch 2 is a wonderful business opportunity, but building its port for the console will be difficult if we see it from technical standpoint. Speaking with Eurogamer, Harada said that Tekken 8 on Switch 2 is not confirmed, as it's not entirely off the table either. He believes a Switch 2 port could potentially allow Tekken 8 to have an audience with even more players, especially considering Nintendo's new console sold over 6 million units in less than 2 months. Not to mention, the audience fighting for games on the new console is enormous. Just think about this. This recent launch of Street Fighter 6 on Switch 2 has already surpassed 5 million sales, and it hasn't even been a year to this. This gives us an idea on how much business Tekken can do on Nintendo. Tekken 8 can easily expand its audience, especially after recent character additions, such as Muay Thai fighter Fakumram. We really hope that Katsuhiro Harada is planning on this and resolving the technical issues ASAP. What are your thoughts about this? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.